What is a niche? A niche is a specific segment of a market that caters to a particular group of people with distinct needs, preferences, or interests. It allows businesses to focus their marketing efforts and tailor their products or services to meet the unique demands of a targeted audience. Identifying a niche helps in standing out in a crowded market. By offering specialized solutions that are not broadly available, how to determine the profitability of a niche? 1. Research market. Demand keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or SEMrush to find out how many people are searching for terms related to your niche. High search volume indicates strong interest and demand. Trends analysis. Utilize Google Trends to see if interest in your niche is growing, stable, or declining over time. 2. Analyze competition. Identify competitors. Find out who the major players are in your niche. Look at their websites, products, and marketing strategies. Assess competitor strength. Determine how well established these competitors are. Highly competitive niches may be harder to break into but can also indicate strong demand. Gap analysis. Look for gaps in the market where competitors are not fully meeting the needs of the audience. These gaps present opportunities for differentiation. 3. Evaluate audience needs. Surveys and polls. Conduct surveys or polls to gather direct feedback from your target audience about their needs and preferences. Social media listening. Monitor social media platforms, forums, and online communities where your target audience discusses their pain points and desires. Customer reviews. Read reviews and feedback on competitors' products to understand what customers like or dislike. 4. Assess monetization potential. Product viability. Determine if you can create or source products that meet the needs of your niche. Evaluate the cost of production versus the price you can charge. Affiliate programs. Check if there are affiliate programs available in your niche. High-paying affiliate programs can be a sign of profitability. Ad revenue. For content-based niches, blogs, YouTube channels, assess the potential for ad revenue through platforms like Google AdSense. 5. Calculate profit margins. Cost analysis. Calculate the costs associated with entering the niche, including product development, marketing, shipping, and overhead costs. Pricing strategy. Determine a pricing strategy that covers your costs and generates profit. Consider what your target audience is willing to pay. Profit margins. Ensure that the profit margins are sufficient to sustain and grow your business. High margins indicate better profitability. 6. Test the market. Minimum viable product, MVP. Launch a minimal version of your product or service to test market reaction and gather initial feedback. Pilot campaigns. Run small-scale marketing campaigns to gauge interest and demand before fully committing resources. 7. Evaluate long-term potential. Sustainability. Consider whether the niche has long-term growth potential or if it's a temporary trend. Scalability. Assess if the niche allows for scalability. Can you expand your product line or services to cater to a growing audience? Diversification. Think about the potential for diversifying within the niche to offer complementary products or services. Conclusion. Determining the profitability of a niche involves thorough research and analysis by understanding market demand, analyzing competition, evaluating audience needs, assessing monetization potential, calculating profit margins, testing the market, and evaluating long-term potential. You can make informed decisions about entering and thriving in a niche market. Do you want to have a successful online business but want a shortcut to your success? Click the link in the description to start your new journey today.